Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix no sound issues in Google Chrome. Whether it's YouTube videos, web games, or even online meetings leaving you with silence, this tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step solutions so, by the end, you'll have audio playing clearly again. Let's jump right in and get your Chrome sounding the way it should. First up, let's tackle the basics. Checking your system and browser volume. It might sound simple, but it's honestly surprising how often we overlook this step. Take a moment to look at the speaker icon in your computer's taskbar. Is the volume turned up? Is it muted? Sometimes, even if your headphones are plugged in, the computer might revert back to the speakers. Make sure your output device is selected properly. Next, open up a tab in Chrome and play something you know should have sound. Maybe a YouTube video you're familiar with? Double-check that the video or media player itself isn't muted and that the volume slider is pushed up. These little things matter and are easy to miss if you're multitasking or just moving quickly. Now, let's get a little more specific with the volume mixer. This is a tool in Windows that lets you control audio for individual apps, not just your whole system. Right-click on the speaker icon in your taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. You'll see Chrome listed here if it's running, alongside other apps. Is the Chrome slider muted or much lower than the others? It's worth taking a close look. If it's down or muted, just drag it up or click the mute symbol. This makes sure Chrome isn't silenced while the rest of your system is still playing sounds. Sometimes, a single tab crash or an accidental click can adjust these settings, so it's a good habit to check. With those out of the way, let's move into Chrome's own site sound settings. Chrome gives you control over audio permissions on a site-by-site basis. Handy if you want to mute annoying pages, but it can trip you up when you want to listen. Click the padlock symbol next to a site's URL in the address bar. You'll see Sound listed among permissions. If it says Mute, switch it to Allow and reload the page. Give it a try with the problematic site. Remember, this setting is per site, so if you have trouble somewhere else, you'll need to repeat this step for that location. This is how Chrome keeps you in control, but can also unintentionally lead to silence if a site's been muted previously. If you've checked all the volume settings and Chrome still refuses to make a peep, let's dig a little deeper. Sometimes, browser extensions, those little add-ons that help block ads or manage passwords, can interfere with sound, especially ones that handle site content or media. Head to the Chrome menu, that's the three little dots up top, go to More Tools and choose Extensions. Try disabling your active extensions one by one, focusing on anything that changes your browsing experience or interacts with audio and video. After each extension, refresh your sound test page. This process can take a minute, and don't worry if you're not sure what each extension does. Just disable them temporarily for testing. If the sound comes back, you've found the culprit. Still stuck? Let's clear out Chrome's cache and cookies. Over time, websites and links build up temporary data that can conflict with proper audio playback. Return to the Chrome menu, then Settings, then Privacy and Security. Choose Clear Browsing Data and select both cached images, files, and cookies. Hit Clear Data, then restart Chrome and revisit your sound test site. This refresh often solves stubborn issues caused by corrupted or out-of-date browser files. Finally, make sure Chrome itself is fully up to date. Google regularly fixes bugs and improves stability, so running an older version could be the root of your problem. Go to the Chrome menu, select Help, and then About Google Chrome. The browser will automatically check for updates here. If there's an update available, let it install and restart Chrome. Alright, those are the key steps that should restore sound to Chrome if something's gone wrong. I hope this guide helped walk you through each fix clearly and calmly. Remember, sometimes it's a surprise which simple step actually solves the problem. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful how-tos. Any lingering questions or unique sound problems? Drop a comment below, I answer everyone I can. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Chrome is sounding great again.